Pure evil, that's what this method is. Trust me guys, once you start with this method you won't be able to stop because of how much money will be rolling into your bank account. Take a look at all these people who have managed to make hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single day. So if you want to know how to start making those big bucks, then let's get straight into it. So here's the deal guys, you know how you tell people to hit up the link in their bio, but they hardly ever bother, right? And that's not exactly the highway to driving mad traffic to your stuff, but no need to worry because I've got a handy little alternative up my sleeve that's gonna change the game for you. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. People are more likely to take a chance on what you're offering when you make it this easy for them. It's like giving them a front row seat to your content without asking them to jump through fiery hoops, and trust me, they'll appreciate it. With this approach, we're making things smoother for ourselves too. We're streamlining the whole process, saving time and focusing on what really matters, creating awesome content. Step 1. Create a new Instagram page. All right, so let's start off with step 1. Creating a brand new Instagram page. So picture this, you're all about something cool like weight loss tips that actually work now instead of sticking to the same old grind. Let's kick off by creating your very own Instagram page. Instagram is where the party's at these days. I mean, who doesn't scroll through their feed more than they care to admit? It's like a virtual hangout where everyone's swapping stories, showing off their latest finds, and giving you a peek into their world. And that's where you come in. Now I know what you might be thinking. Oh man, there are already a zillion weight loss accounts out there, but don't let that stop you. Take your style and your vibe are what's gonna make you stand out. Step 2. Pick a weight loss product on ClickBank. Alright, let's keep things rolling with step 2, and trust me, it's a game changer. We're diving into the world of ClickBank where you can snag some seriously cool weight loss products and turn them into cash in your pocket. So let's say you're scrolling through ClickBank and there it is, a weight loss product that's got you nodding like, yep, this is gold. Maybe it's a cutting edge workout program, a superfood concoction, or a guide to crushing those cravings. Now ClickBank is like a treasure trove of products just waiting for people like us to swoop in and share the love. The best part is that you don't have to be a weight loss expert to do this. You're not selling your own product, you're teaming up with people who've got the goods. So here's the scoop: when you find that weight loss gem on ClickBank, grab that affiliate link. This link is your golden ticket to earning some sweet commissions every time someone clicks through and makes a purchase. Step 3. Sign up for ManyChat. Now we're about to use the automation tool that's going to take our Instagram game to a whole new level. Imagine this, you're not just posting on Instagram, you're engaging, connecting, and building relationships on autopilot. That's where ManyChat swoops in. It's like having your own virtual assistant that works 24/7 to keep your followers engaged and in the loop. First things first, I need you to head over to ManyChat, manychat.com. There you'll spot that Get Started button in the top right corner. Click it, and now here's where the fun kicks in. ManyChat is all about giving you the reins to supercharge your engagement on different channels. We're talking Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. So we're gonna pick Instagram because that's where we created our weight loss page. Now let me tell you why I absolutely love ManyChat. I want you guys to imagine this scenario: someone finds your awesome weight loss content on Instagram. They're intrigued, they've got questions, and they're itching to know more. But here's the kicker: they might not always remember to slide into your DMs or hit that follow button. Life happens, right? Well, that's where ManyChat takes the stage with its automation powers. You can set up friendly welcome messages, engage follow-ups, and even deliver valuable content right to your followers' inboxes. And let's not forget the power of personalization. With ManyChat, you're not just sending robotic messages, you're crafting conversations that feel like genuine chats. You can segment your audience, sending tailored messages to those who've shown interest in specific topics. Now let's talk about what this means for our promotion strategy. Instead of relying solely on posting and hoping for the best, you're actively engaging with your followers. You're guiding them through your weight loss journey, answering their burning questions and giving them that extra nudge they need to check out those clickbank goodies. Picture this: someone comments on your latest post asking about the effectiveness of that weight loss product. Instead of crossing your fingers and hoping they check back for your response, ManyChat swoops in. It drops a friendly message in their inbox, thanking them for their interest in giving them the lowdown on what makes that product a game changer. You're not just promoting, you're offering value. Step 4. Create an automation using ManyChat. Alright guys, so now let's kick it up a notch with step 4. We're diving into the world of ManyChat automation, and trust me, this is where the magic truly happens. We're tossing out the old link in bio routine and flipping the script to engage our audience in a way that's super smooth. So here's the game plan. Like I told you guys at the start of this video, getting people to tap that link in the bio can be like pulling teeth. Well, now we're gonna change the game. Instead of begging them to make the leap, we're gonna give them a simple nudge in the right direction. So let's say that you post about that killer weight loss product, and you drop a line like, hey, if you want to dive deeper into this, just comment weight loss. No more link chasing, no more hoping they'll remember to check out the goods. Just a casual invitation that makes them feel like they're in control. Now let's work our ManyChat magic. Head back to ManyChat and let's set up an automation that's gonna blow minds. We're going to create a trigger that's super slick. The moment someone comments that magic word, it's like a switch flips and ManyChat kicks into gear. Imagine this: someone types weight loss in the comments, and before they can even hit enter, ManyChat swoops in. It slides into their DMs like a friendly messenger, dropping that affiliate link. They're getting the goods right where they're hanging out. No extra steps, no fuss, and here's the beauty: it's instant. They comment and boom, they've got the link. No waiting, no wondering, no hassle. They're not just engaged, they're excited. Now let's talk about what this means for our growth. When you use ManyChat to serve up that link on a silver platter, it's not just about convenience, it's about making connections. It's about showing your followers that you're not just another sales pitch, you're a friend who got their back. And guess what? This little method isn't just about boosting engagement on that post, it's about getting your followers excited about interacting with you. They'll start looking forward to your posts, knowing that there's a chance for a cool interaction or a valuable takeaway. It's like building a community that's all about crushing those weight loss goals. And let's not forget the ripple effect. When people see others commenting and getting value, they're gonna want to jump on that train too. It's like a party. Everyone wants to be part of more comments, more engagement, more eyes on your content, and that's a recipe for a faster growing Instagram page. Plus, the more clicks that you get on your affiliate link, the higher the chance of someone buying the product, which just means more cash in your pockets. And with that money, you can pay off your extra bills, you can invest in crypto or more businesses. Honestly, the sky's the limit. Now look guys, there are a ton of websites and upper opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks, and all. See you next time. Thank you.